Hello friends, that's lame. Maybe I should give you a name. Assalamualaikum, my name is Darwish and welcome to Darwish Zain Studio. In today's video, I'm going to be talking a little bit about myself and several things that I have done so far that I would like to share with everybody. Currently, I am a degree student in software engineering at University of Malaysia, Pahang. Now I am in my second year. I have already finished my third semester here, and I'm going to have the final exam next week. I've also have created several social media accounts as a way for me to connect with my audience. I have Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. If you would like to check it out, I will put the link in the description down below. And as for my game development journey, I have created a page in itch.io platform. For now, I've published 2 of my games that I managed to finish. Some of them are not to be proud of, but at least I've finished some as a starting point for my game development journey. I'll also put the link of the itch.io page in the description. So that is enough with the video. Right now I would like to share about an affiliate marketing platform that helps me gain some income through my video. Here is what I have gained through the platform so far. The platform was provided by Interspace Digital Malaysia's Nendran Berhad. This platform is great for YouTubers, bloggers, or social media influencers for them to monetize their content. By using this platform, all you have to do is promote some links provided by merchants that leads to their website or webpage. If someone clicks your links and bought something from the merchant site, you will gain some commission based on a specified rate. If you are interested, I will put some links in the description down below. Thank you for watching. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. If not, comment down below. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.